How to make the devil in Infinite Craft. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can make the devil in Infinite Craft. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you're wanting to create the devil in Infinite Craft, you just have to follow the steps. As you can see, I've written the formula down as well. First, we're going to add fire and wind, which is going to form a smoke. Then we're going to add earth and water, which is going to form a plant. We're going to combine plant with the smoke we created, which will form an incense. Again, we will add smoke to this incense, which is going to make a prayer. Then we're going to add incense to this prayer, which is going to create an angel. But angel plus smoke, it's going to finally create a devil. And this way we can make devil in Infinite Craft. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.